Here's how to stop Google from using facial recognition against you. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy, and Google is collecting all sorts of information from us left and right, including our face. Now, while we try and turn off privacy settings as best we can, you may not know about this one in Google Photos. Open Google Photos either with a link below, photos.google.com, or opening the app on your phone. On the app, you can tap your profile picture on the top right and then tap Google Photo Settings to find group similar faces. On your computer, tap the settings gear and scroll down to group similar faces. If you have a face labeled as me, you'll want to remove that so that Google isn't using your photo to help contacts and other apps recognize your face. Tap where it has your photo and click Remove. If you want to turn off Google using face recognition on all of your friends and family, toggle off face grouping. For more ways to take back your privacy from big tech, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.